everyone, welcome back to my channel, East Bay Stamp Chick. This is Michelle, and today I wanted to share with you something new. This is a digital that I got from Benny, I can never say this too clearly, BettyPenny.com. And you'll find her on YouTube and Instagram. So she does a lot of videos. She does a lot of card making. She has lots of fun inspiration. But she also has her website where she sells digital prints, and she does sell actual paper packs that you can purchase and have shipped to you. This one I don't think comes in a paper pack. It's only digital. It is on sale right now for $4.99, and you get something like 15 or 16 sheets of cardstock size 8.5 by 11 to print out. And so I wanted to show you because I thought this printed beautifully. This one is called Dashing Through the Snow, and it kind of has a little bit of a Tim Holtz vibe to it, and I just loved the images. And I looked, and there's 155 images in this. So for $4.99, I mean, that's like amazing. Okay, so let me show you. I did print this out on Hammermill white cardstock. It's 100 pound, so it printed just beautiful. I can't remember, I think I have a HP printer. I can't remember what I have now. It's in the other room. But it does take the 100 pound paper, no problem. So check out all of these. So we have 16 images on here. These would be great on cards or ornaments. There's a lot, little mini booklets you could make with this. I loved like every single photo that she has in here. I love the vibe of how vintagey it looks, traditional Christmas. It's kind of in that sepia tones, which I just think looks really cool. But lots of really great images. And I like that every once in a while she's got some that have colors. So like that red, it looks very vintagey. These have some color to them as well. I think it's really pretty. I can't wait to make something fun with these. All the snowman, and then like Santa and the sleigh, and then his coat is red, but everything else is still in like the sepia tones. I like that. I think that's really cool. So I printed out the whole thing, and there's the bigger version there. And I will cut these up. I'll probably just cut them all up at one time so they're like ready to go. There he is again with his red coat. But it definitely has that vintage photograph, kind of a Tim Holtz vibe to it. And look at the snow globe. So you still have a little color like on the trees and the scarf and a little bit in the background, but it still looks super vintage. And then these long skinny ones. If you do like any type of album making, this could be really great on the spine. And they came ready to print, so I did not have to like resize these or anything like that. They printed just like you see it without me having to do anything. And then that's the last one. So I don't know, I think these are so pretty. I am just in love with these. So they are available at BettyPenny.com. You can check them out there. $4.99 right now is the price. And then she does have, like I said, some paper packs that are already pre-made that you can purchase the paper so you don't have to print your own, but not of this design. And she has some really good ones there too. So I will be making hopefully soon, some really pretty Christmas projects with this. So stay tuned to check out what I make. And if you want to know and you want to see them, then definitely subscribe to my channel down below. All right. Thanks a lot, everyone. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.